What is up, you guys? I'm here at SMIT Autoworks in Miami getting the Cayenne ready for install. Yes, today is the day that every part from Eurowise is going on the car. These guys, as you can tell, are big BMW and Porsche fans. They've been in the industry and in the business for about a whole entire generation since Richard's dad started the shop back in the day. And they have worked on tons of my BMWs and actually a lot of my Porsches as well, back when I worked at ASG, and my personal cars. And these guys are phenomenal. Having built already more than like 9 Overlanding Cayennes himself, Richard, I would consider to be one of the local experts here in the subject of Overlanding Cayennes. So that's why I went ahead and trusted him blindly with my car. And obviously, we're not gonna not document the process. This is something awesome and something that definitely you guys would be more than interested and more than happy to see. So I'm gonna take you with me. He's gonna let me film pretty much the entire process, and we're gonna be here all day. That's the man, the myth, the legend. Process is going pretty smooth. We thought that we'd be able to get away with undoing the control arm, taking it out, installing the spacer, and then putting the other control arm in, but in reality, you have to undo these 3 to get rid of, what is it, the top hat? Yeah. Yeah, so there's no point in doing that. This time around, he's just gonna go ahead and remove the top hat entirely to then remove everything as one piece, and that way you can put it together on a table and just slap it right back in, right? So the rear is in on the driver's side. There you see the subframe spacer. It's a little hard to see the actual spacer for the lift kit on the back, but they're already working on the passenger side. Was it as difficult as you thought it would be?
No, the rear's going really smoothly, so we're knocking it out in record time.
Right. So the rear is done. Right now we're gonna go ahead and hold that up because we are getting rid of that entire suitcase of a muffler to later put on some resonators and give this car a little bit more of an aggressive tone. But overall, the rear is completely done and we are at the home stretch. That's it? Oh my God. Look at that, that is so sick. Wow, that looks super, super cool, man. Now that it's on the floor, I can show you guys from this angle with better lighting that it is a tight fitment with the control arm with the top bolt here. I can fit my finger, and that is basically about it here. For some people that might be too close for comfort.
I have seen some that are running it even closer on 20s and 19s, but considering the fact that we have 18-inch BFs on here with the 275/65 fitment, that is, in my opinion, in my semi-professional opinion, the biggest tire you can go for comfortably with no spacers and no modifications needed. Anything bigger than this or wider with any different offsets, you're going to start running into some issues. This, it's fine. My pinky fits. Call it a day. But in reality, I'll probably end up getting a 5mm spacer just to be a little bit more comfortable. But it's not going to have any sort of issues. Damn, this looks absolutely wild. Yeah, I'm just gonna get it as dirty as possible and it'll look great. That is unbelievable. Oh, that is so sick.